want more energy, better sleep, and better English?
And do you want it without studying hard?
It sounds impossible, but today we show you the secret.
We are not just teaching words today, we are changing your habits.
7 tiny changes, huge results.
If you are ready to transform your life, stay with us.
Hit that subscribe button and let's go.
Jack, what is the first thing you do in the morning?
Usually I look for coffee. I need caffeine immediately.
That is a common mistake. Your body is thirsty after sleeping.
So I should drink water before coffee?
Yes, 1 big glass of water. It wakes up your brain.
But water's boring. Coffee tastes better.
Think of your body like a car. It needs oil to run.
Okay, that makes sense. My engine is dry in the morning.
Exactly. Water gives you energy and helps your skin.
How much should I drink? A whole bottle?
Just 1 regular glass is enough to start.
I can do that. I will put a glass on my table tonight.
That is a great trick. Prepare it the night before.
It is a small change, but I want more energy.
You will feel the difference in 3 days. Trust me.
Okay, Lucy. Tomorrow morning, water first.
Cheers to good health.
After this video, I'm going to the kitchen.
Good idea. Hydration is key.
Okay, habit number 2. Is it exercise?
No, it is simpler. Make your bed every morning.
Make my bed? But I will sleep in it again tonight.
I know it sounds silly, but it is a psychological trick.
How does it help me? It seems like a waste of time.
It is your first task of the day. If you do it, you win.
So it gives me a feeling of success?
Yes, you start the day with a completed task.
And my bedroom will look cleaner. I like a clean room.
When your room is tidy, your mind is clear.
My room is usually a mess. Clothes are everywhere.
Making the bed only takes 2 minutes. It is very fast.
Do I have to make it perfect, like a hotel?
No, just pull the blankets up. Make it look neat.
I guess I can try that. It's better than leaving it messy.
Plus, coming home to a made bed feels nice.
That is true. It looks inviting after a long day.
It is a small discipline. It builds character.
You convinced me. No more messy bed.
Your future self will thank you. Do you ever feel stressed about work, Jack?
All the time. My brain is full of chaos.
Habit number 3 will save you. Write a to-do list.
I have too many things to do. The list will be too long.
Don't write everything. Just write the top 3 things.
Only 3? But I have 10 things to do.
Focus on the most important ones. Prioritize.
Prioritize. That is a good vocabulary word.
It means doing the important things first.
When should I write this list? In the morning?
I prefer doing it the night before.
Why the night before?
So you don't worry while you sleep. Your plan is ready.
That sounds relaxing. I usually worry in bed.
Writing it down takes the stress out of your head.
I will buy a small notebook, a Happy English notebook.
Checking off the items feels great, too.
I love drawing a line through a finished task.
It releases happy chemicals in your brain.
I need those happy chemicals. I will start a list today. I watch a lot of TV. Is that a bad habit?
It is okay to relax. But habit number 4 is reading.
Reading books? I don't have time to read hours a day.
You don't need hours, just 10 minutes.
10 minutes? Can I learn anything in 10 minutes?
Yes. If you read 10 minutes every day, you read a lot in a year.
That is true. It adds up. What should I read?
Read something you enjoy. Fiction, biography, or history.
I like stories about detectives, crime mysteries.
Perfect. Reading improves your vocabulary and focus.
My focus is bad. I look at my phone too much.
Books are better than phones. They make you think.
Can I listen to audiobooks?
Yes, audiobooks are great for English practice too.
I can listen while I drive to work.
Exactly. Turn your car into a classroom.
I have a book on my shelf. It has dust on it.
Go clean it off. Read 2 pages today.
Only 2 pages. I can do that.
Readers are leaders, Jack. Jack, how many hours do you sit every day?
I sit at breakfast, I sit in the car, I sit at work, a lot.
Humans are not made to sit all day. Habit 5 is movement.
Do I have to go to the gym? I hate the gym.
No gym required. Just walk.
Walking is easy. I have legs.
Try to walk for 20 minutes or take the stairs.
The stairs? But the elevator is so fast.
The stairs are free exercise. It helps your heart.
My heart needs help. I get tired easily.
Also, walking outside gives you fresh air and sun.
I like the sun. It makes me feel happier.
Movement changes your mood. If you are sad, walk.
Sometimes I am angry at work. Should I walk then?
Yes, take a cooling off walk. It calms you down.
I will park my car far away from the office.
That is a brilliant idea. Force yourself to walk.
And I will listen to my audiobook while walking.
Look at you, combining habits. You are a pro.
I am changing my life, Lucy. Life is hard sometimes. I complain a lot.
We all complain, but habit 6 changes your perspective.
What is it? Is it meditation?
It is gratitude, being thankful.
I say thank you when someone opens a door.
That is good manners, but this is a mindset.
How do I practice it?
Every evening, write down 3 good things that happened.
3 good things? What if I had a bad day?
Even on a bad day, there are small good things.
Like good coffee or a sunny sky?
Yes, or a nice text from a friend, or a good meal.
That sounds easy. Just 3 things?
It trains your brain to look for the positive.
Right now, my brain looks for problems.
If you look for problems, you find them. Look for joy.
I am grateful for you, Lucy. You helped me.
Oh, thank you, Jack. I am grateful for our friendship.
See? I'm practicing already.
It feels good, right?
It makes me smile. I like this habit.
We have one last habit. It is about sleep.
I love sleep, but I don't sleep well.
What do you do before you close your eyes?
I scroll on my phone. I look at social media.
That is the problem. Habit 7. No screens before bed.
But I need to check the news and funny cat videos.
The light from the phone tricks your brain.
Tricks my brain? How?
Your brain thinks it is daytime. It won't let you sleep.
That explains why I stay awake until midnight.
Put the phone away 30 minutes before sleep.
30 minutes? What do I do for 30 minutes?
Remember habit 4? You can read.
Oh, right. Read a book. Or talk to my wife.
Talking is good. Relax your mind.
Can I keep my phone in another room?
That is the best strategy. Buy an alarm clock.
I will try this tonight. I want to wake up fresh.
Good sleep transforms your whole life.
No phone, good sleep, happy Jack.
That is the formula for success.
Wow, Lucy, these 7 habits are very simple.
They are small, but they are powerful.
Let's review. Water, bed, list, read, walk, gratitude, no phone.
Perfect memory. Which one will you start today?
I will drink water right now. That is easy.
Viewers, tell us in the comments, what is your favorite habit?
We love reading your comments. You are the best.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more happy English.
See you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.
Goodbye, everyone. Take care.